Hello everyone, welcome all of you in today's podcast of English books, the very best of Arabian Nights. So, without making any delay, let's start. And today's topic is The Merchant and the Genie. Once upon a time, there lived a rich merchant. One day, he had to travel to another city for business. On his way, he had to pass through a desert, so he carried with him a small packet of dates and biscuit to eat on the way. On the fourth day of his journey, he saw clear water. He ran towards it, and after having water to drink and washing his face, he gave his tired horse some water to drink. While he was giving the horse water, suddenly he heard a loud noise. He looked as if a storm was approaching. When he looked closely, he saw a genie with a huge sword in his hand running towards him. The genie caught him by the arm and said, I will kill you the way you killed my son. The merchant was shocked. He said, I think you have made some mistake. I did not kill anyone. I am just a simple merchant on my way to another city. But the genie replied, you are a murderer. You just killed my son. The merchant kept telling the genie that he had not killed anyone. So the genie told him, did you not sit on the ground just before having water? The merchant nodded. Did you not eat some dates and throw the seeds around? Asked the genie. The merchant nodded at these too. So, at that time, my son was passing by, and one of the seeds hit him in the eye and killed him. The merchant had nothing to say. He had not seen or heard anything like this before. O great genie, I beg you to pardon me. After all, I did not kill your son with my intention to do so, cried the merchant. But the genie was adamant. He said, I will have to kill you, so prepare to die. Then the merchant said, at least give me some time to bid farewell to my family and then kill me. The genie said, if I allow you to leave, you will never come back. But the merchant promised to return. So the genie asked him, how much time do you need to come back? Just 1 year, replied the merchant. So the genie let him go, and the merchant returned home. A sad man, he told everyone in his family about the genie and that he had just 1 year to get back. The very next day, he started paying all of his debts. He set all his slaves free. He worked all through the year making money for his family and gave lots of presents to his friends and family. Finally, a year had passed by, and the merchant set out for the place where he had met the genie for the first time. When he waited for the genie, he saw an old man with a red deer walking towards him. The old man said, brother, why are you sitting at this place where a lot of evil genii are around? The merchant told him his sad story. To that, the old man replied, I have never seen anything like this before, so I will wait with you to see what happens. So saying, he sat down next to the merchant. After some time, another old man came by with two black dogs. He too asked the merchant the same question which the first man had asked and decided like him to sit with the merchant. Soon another old man also come by and sat with merchant like the others. Look, said the man, there is a cloud of smoke coming towards us. That is the genie, said the merchant. Are you ready to die? Asked the genie. Hearing this, the first old man fell at the feet of the genie and said, "O Prince of the Genie, please listen to the story of this red deer here and me. And if you find that better than the merchant's story, please pardon him one third of his life." The genie thought for a while and agreed, and so began the first old man's story. So this was the today's part, the merchant and the genie. And next podcast we will listen the first old man's story. That's it for today, guys. We will meet soon again. Thank you. Bye bye.